for, I mean, for 2 times, tama ba? Twice?
Once.
Once naman. Okay.
I left in 2005. I didn't know what I was going to do. Bahala na, but later that year, I started writing songs at home. Then when I started recording, for me lang, kasi bilis ng pangyayari, biglang all of a sudden I have an album na was going to be officially released, and then they launched it on ASAP, where I was also launched on ASAP as part of ASAP. And then, yun na, and then that became, okay, that became my top Suzara chapter, I guess.
Pero naisip na babalik at babalik ako ng freestyle?
Hindi ko naisip. Gulat na gulat nga ako na napunta sa akin. Kaya nga sa akin, kaya nga the thought process was, since it's now with me and in my hands again, there has to be a reason why. So, and I want to do good by it, do right by it, diba? Kasi parang hindi naman to parang wala lang for me, or it's not a simple thing, but it's a meaningful thing. So because it has meaning, sabi ko baka kailangan kong mahanap yung justice kung bakit biglang napasa akin bigla after 70 years. 70 years. Diba? So sabi ko, sige, I'll continue this. Maybe it means picking up where I left off, which was all about original music and writing and recording and sharing original songs. Because I don't know, you know, nag-record din naman yata yung freestyle in my absence, but I don't know if do you remember a freestyle song during those times? No. Diba? So parang ganun. I think the focus was not to make original songs, but just to do shows. Then, ako my first focus really is to write songs. And then it's just, you know, we dedicate time and energy also to bring those songs to the live stage. Kasi it's the best way to share it. And, after that, social media platform. Pero it's different. Let's say, if I was in front of you and I'm singing an original song, it becomes very intimate. It's like I'm serving you food. You know what else? Mas maganda yung may nag-hide sa'yo ng food kesa sa dumating na lang yung courier na may food, di ba? Diba yung, hey ma'am, here, kain na.
Okay, last two na lang.